everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Happy Friday to everybody. I finally am able to do a video today. I've already attempted to do 2 videos, you guys, and the first one, for some reason, I accidentally deleted it before uploading it on YouTube, and anyway. And then I got interrupted earlier, so anyway, I had to start over again. So I do have a haul for you guys, but before I show you the haul items, I thought I'd go ahead and share with you a couple of gifts that my friends gave me. I met up with, as you guys know, some friends at the expo, and Sophia had given me just some little gifts. It's so cute. Anyway, she made this cute little pillow box, and it had candy in it, and yeah, most of the candy's gone. It's almost gone. So anyway, how adorable is this pillow box? So she had given this to me at the expo. I love the little bow. That's so adorable. So thank you so much. And then she made this little box here as well, and I love the little pom-pom that she put on there, and I just love the way she decorated that. And then she gave me these berry baskets that are ceramic, and I do have one, I think, ceramic one, but I want to say it is a size in between, so it's perfect. So now I have a small, and then my medium one, and then the large here. So she gave me these 2 berry baskets. How fun, right? So it's perfect, and I can use the orange one next year for Halloween. So thank you so much, Sophia. And then my friend Mimi had also given me a gift, and this is a thank you gift for participating in the Santa Baby YouTube Hop that we had back in July. And so this was a little thank you gift. So, oh my goodness, you didn't have to do this, Mimi, but I so much appreciate it. So she made all of us a card, and it says thanks, and this is just beautiful. She did several layers here, and then she put a little note there for me, and I love this paper. This is the paper from Hobby Lobby, and then she all gave us this amazing handmade purse charm, which I can't wait to put on my purse. And she handmade every single item on here. So she made this, I mean, look how cute. I hope I'm in frame. Look how cute her little pom-pom is. And I don't even know what material this is. And then she has all kinds of dangles on here, all kinds of charms. So here's a strip of rhinestones, or I should say a rhinestone trim, and this made with love charm. She even made this beautiful tassel. Isn't that gorgeous? And then there's a butterfly, and look at her very shabby tassel. And then this puffy heart. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it, and it's so soft, and I love the color. She knows I love pink, and look how perfect that looks. And then she even hand embroidered. Look at this, you guys. Now that's talent, right? How amazing. And she put that on a garment pin, a garment pin. So how amazing is this, you guys? I love it. Thank you so much, Mimi. I appreciate that. And for her to make several of those, I will leave her link. She did share these on her channel. Sorry for the crinkling there. But it's just amazing how she can just do all that for all of us. So that is so sweet. And then I did do a haul from online, from Amazon. I had been wanting to get the Merry Days collection, and I finally did decide to just get it online because I just can't seem to get to the Tuesday morning, and I've called over there and they don't have it at my Tuesday morning. So some of you guys had gotten lucky getting some pieces from this collection, which is new from Crate Paper. So yeah, lucky you guys. But anyway, I didn't want to go through the trouble of having to, you know, keep going to Tuesday morning because I get in trouble that way. Believe me, it's not saving me money if I have to keep going there just to try to get this collection. So anyway, I also got some pieces from Frank Garcia's studio because I was missing some pieces. So anyway, this is the one from Amazon, and I'm sure you guys have all seen this. So let me just do like a really quick flip through. But I love this paper. I love this is probably one of my favorite ones right here, the hot cocoa. And I love the ones with the gold foiling on it. Oh, it's just, and this one here. Very Maggie Holmes, right? So, just really cute. And I also got the paper clips. And these are kind of like acrylic, but I absolutely love them. I think they're so pretty. So I did get that, and it was a good price on Amazon. That's why I decided to go ahead and get it. I did get the tag kit, and it comes with these tags here. And I'm sorry about the glare. I haven't opened them yet. You get some twine, and then you get all of these pieces. You get 10 sheets of, as you can see here, the glitter. It would take too long, you guys, if I showed you every single little piece, but as you can see here, those are the pieces that you get. And I love that some of the tags are little houses, and then the trees, you know, some of them are shaped tags. So that is fun, and you get the twine and everything. So I couldn't pass that one up. And then I also got the Merry Day Shaker sticker. So that's fun. Love that. And then lastly, I got the chipboard stickers. So I decided not to get the 12 by 12 papers. I did have an opportunity to get that at Frank's studio, but oh my gosh, he has so many new stuff, you guys. If you guys haven't gone, oh my gosh. He has a lot of stuff. So that is what I picked up on Amazon. And then from Frank's studio, I decided to get the buttons, and that was $3.99. So that was a really great deal, because I think online it was more. And then the hanging stars, I had to have this one, and I don't think I saw this on Amazon. I can't remember, but I know it wasn't $4.99. And then couldn't find this online, but Frank had it, and this is the puppy stickers. So I had to pick it up because he's, you know, he's gonna be running out of stock soon. I mean, Christmas is almost here, you guys. So I had to grab some of the Fa La La. I've been wanting this collection since last year, and I never did pick it up. And I don't know, I waited, and then, you know, finally when I decided to get it, I think I just ended up, I couldn't find it anymore. But anyway, I had to have the tassels, you guys. It's so pretty, and I No, we can probably make these, but look at these. They're just so fine. I don't know where I would get that. And anyway, I don't have that much time to make embellishments, so I thought I'd just go ahead and just get them. So these are 67 stickers, and this is an older collection, you guys, from last year. But I love the little houses. I think I actually like this more than the Merry Days. It just, I don't know, I love it. And I wish I was able to get the chipboard, sorry, the chipboard pieces. But yeah, Frank didn't have that one. But I did get all the papers, just one of each, because I don't need that many. But look how cute the birds. I love it. So I'll just do like really quick. I love all these little houses too. I probably should have gotten 2 of those so I can cut them up, but you know, I was trying to be good, but yeah, I still ended up buying quite a bit. So, but I haven't been to Frank's studio in so long. Seriously, every time I saw Anna's video, hey girl, I was like, oh man, I want to go to Frank's studio. So how pretty, right? So yes, I'm so happy that he restocked on some of these, because I think the last time I looked online, he didn't have as many, but he did when I went to the studio. So if you guys are interested, go over there and check it out. He also had some stuff on clearance. I could not help it. I already put all my Halloween stuff away. Like 99% of it. But I had to grab at least this puffy sticker because it was 50% off, you guys. So I couldn't help myself. And he had some other like papers and things. This was only $1.49, so I could not help it. And I don't even know from what collection this is, but I just thought they were super cute. So I had to get at least that one. And then I also got this because I've been meaning to pick this up and I just kept forgetting to. And it was only $3.40. They're applicator bottles by Serenity Creations. And so great price, I thought. And then I had to get some of his new Valentine's Day stuff. This is called La La Love, and it's by Crepe Paper. This is 5 paper clips, and they're just so cute. I could not help it. I couldn't pass it up, so I got these. I also got the ephemera, just 44 pieces, and these are all the pieces that you get, so hopefully you guys can see all the pieces. And this is really cute, and I think it'll also go well with last year's collection from Crepe Paper. And I can't remember what the other collection is called, but it had the hearts with the faces. Do you guys remember? If you guys remember, you can just leave it on the comment. I do have the other collection, not every piece, but not all the pieces, but oh, I haven't even opened this one. Well, let me show you this one first, since I already have this one out. This one is the thickers. I just think it's so pretty. Look! So cute. And look, you get 2 sides. That's what I love about it. It's quite a bit. And I love the silver glitter. And this was only $4.99 for all of that. I thought that was worth it. I thought about getting the, but I was trying to be good. I was gonna get the chipboard, but I decided not to. Sometimes I buy too much and then I end up not really using a lot of it. So I figured I'll just get a little bit of everything. Not really. There was so much over there. Oh, if only I could have gotten all of the new stuff. Oh my gosh. And yeah, I just limited myself to this much. So we'll see. I mean, I could always go back and hopefully he'll still have some if I run out. But I think this is plenty to work with right now. But look how pretty. And this page reminds me of that other one. Is it something squeeze? Wait. Oh my gosh. I can't even remember. Main squeeze. I think that's what it's called. You make my heart skip a beat. How pretty is that? Strawberries. I love strawberries. Ooh, this is pretty. Look. I love the colors. It's just such a fun one. Isn't it? It's so fun. I'm not sure if I'm crazy about the people art, but I'm used to my daughter's art, so, but I just like everything else, like the sentiments and, you know, and I love the foiling. That's really cute. So that's it on that one. And what else? And then I did get a couple of these mini paper doilies. I saw Sophia's videos and she had gotten them at the expo, and I was kicking myself for not picking them up, and look, they were $3.99, which I think is about the same as the expo. So I love the size of these. They're just, and I love the color. So I thought, oh, you know what, I'm just gonna grab them now, and they will go well with any of the papers that I just showed you guys. I seriously think they will go with all of them. Okay, so that is my haul and some gifts. Oh, one more thing. My friend Sophia was nice enough to pick some of this items up for me from Tuesday morning. You guys, I finally am able to make some mini envelopes. I've been forever on the hunt for this one, and I'm super happy that she was able to find it for me. I think even my friend Mimi had found one for me too. Thank you, ladies, for thinking of me. I so appreciate it. But anyway, I can't wait to use this. And then Sophia had found this Bow Bunny Noteworthy, and this is what is this called? Little Wonders, and it's, I guess it's like a baby themed one, but it's not necessarily. It doesn't have to be, because a lot of it is just little critters, and I just love the colors, and I feel like you could even use it for winter. Let me see. I don't think there's any cut apart, so I can just show you guys quickly the design. But look how pretty. Look at the critters. I just love the little critters in this thing. And I think it just repeats. So, oh, maybe the background is a little different. I just think it's so cute. So thank you so much for picking that up for me, Sophia. I love it. And that's it, you guys. That's all I'm going to share with you guys today. I have some other hauls, but this is long enough. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful weekend. Bye for now.